So welcome everybody to this latest video 162 Maths, and in this video we'll be going over an AQA GCSE Maths Foundation topic test, Basic Algebra 2. Now there will be a link of the test paper that we go through in the description below for you to either download and have an attempt at either before watch this video or while watch this video as we go through the answers. Now before we get started working through these questions, there is no indication about whether these questions are non-calculator or calculator questions. However, with algebra it can easily appear on both papers, so it's worth making sure that you're able to do these without a calculator, even though secretly you may be using one. So let's get started on question 1. So question 1 refers to bid mass, so all we need to do is work out the value of this. Now these types of questions do generally appear on a non-calculator paper, because otherwise you can just simply type into your calculator and boom, you've got your answer. So looking at this, what we need to do is just recognize we need to do our power first. So that's going to be 40 minus 2 times 9. Then we do the multiplication, so that's 18. So it's 40 minus 18, which gives us an answer of 22. Question 2, it says that Sunita has these cards, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9. She chooses 4 numbers from the cards to make the following calculation correct. Now for this, you just need to play around with the numbers and see what you can do. But the correct answer in any formula, you could mix those two cards around. So you could have 5 plus 9 rather than 9 plus 5. And then we've got 2 and we've got 3. So that then becomes 14 divided by 2, which is 7. And 7 times 3 is 21. For question 3, we just need to simplify this. So again, remember you multiply numbers with numbers, letters with letters, and when you've got the same letter, you can incorporate powers. So here, 5 times 3 is 15. F times F times F is F cubed. And G times G is G squared. Then moving on to question 4, it says that Mr. Mystery has 3 grandchildren. He gives Namisha £M, he gives Sunil £80 less than Namisha, and also gives Akshay twice as much as Sunil. Write down an expression for the total amount of money he gives them. So again, what you need to do here is write down each of these situations separately in terms of M. So Namisha is going to be M, Sunil is going to be 80 less, so that's going to be M minus 80. And Akshay's got twice as much as Sunil, which is the second one. So that's going to be 2 bracket M minus 80. Then to work out the total, I just need to add those expressions up. So I've got M plus M minus 80 plus 2 lots of M minus 80. And then just expanding the brackets. And then just collecting the like terms. So here I've got 4M. And then it's going to be minus 240. Then looking at question 5, we just need to multiply the brackets, and it's again worth 2 marks, so you get 1 mark for each correct thing that you multiply out. I'm just going to do 5 times 7, which is 35. Then moving on to question 6, again expand and simplify. So we've got 2 times 3h, which is 6h, plus 2 times 6, which is 12, plus 5 times 4h, which is 20h, plus 10. And then collecting the h's, we get 26h. And then collecting the constants or the numbers, we get 12 plus 10, which is 22. Then doing the exact same with 6b. However, we've got negative, so you just need to be careful. So here this is going to be 18j minus 12. And then we've got minus 4 times 2, which is 8j. And then a minus times a positive is a minus, and 4 times 4 is 16. So collecting all of these, I get 10j minus 28. So then moving on to question 7, it says Sam builds a water play area for children. He wants the shape to have 2 lines of symmetry. Work out expression for the total perimeter of the shape. Now 2 lines of symmetry is basically saying to you that we're going to have the lengths are going to be equal. So this length here is also going to be 2x minus 3. This top length is going to be 3 lots of x plus 2. This is going to be 2x minus 3, and this is going to be 2x minus 3. And then to work out the total perimeter, all I need to do is add all of those lengths together. So here I've got 3x plus 2, so that's the top one. So let's start and go in this direction. Plus 2x minus 3 plus 2x minus 3 plus 3 lots of x plus 2 plus 2x minus 3 plus 2x minus 3. Then expanding the brackets, we get 3x plus 6 plus 2x minus 3 plus 2x minus 3 plus 6x plus, 3x plus 6 plus 2x minus 3 plus 2x 3. Then if I look at all of the x's, I end up with a total of 14x. And looking at the numbers, I've got minus 6, minus 3, minus 3, plus 6, minus 3. That should be a plus 6 rather. And then minus 3. And so 6 plus minus 3 is 3, minus 3 is 0, 6 minus 3 is 3. So we just end up with 14x. And that there is our final answer.